Welcome you all in our micro teaching sessions. Myself, Dr. Sarika Sangekar, Department of Botany from Yogeshwari Mahavidyalaya, Ambazogai. My micro teaching topic is natural resources and its management. When we study about the natural resources, it including the soil, water, minerals, biodiversity, forest, wildlife it including the mammals, fish, birds, insects, and the bacteria, viruses. When we study about this, the biodiversity, the landscape, ecosystem, species, genus, alleles, environment, it including the main two factor. One is the biotic factor and second is the abiotic factor. Biotic factor means the living being, and abiotic factor it including the non-living, just like the land, water, air. Land, it's the forest, settlement, agricultural land, barren land, etc. And water, what is the main sources of this? The water, it's the rainfall, runoff, rivers, oceans, groundwater, ponds, tanks, lakes, etc. And here is the two types, atmospheric and aerosols. And plant and animals is the living being. When we study about the diverse water resources and ecosystem, see in these slides the different type of the ecosystems we see, as well as the diverse water resources. What is the challenges of natural resources and its management? The first challenge, and it is the one big challenge, this is the production losses due to the soil erosion. Because of the current issue is the soil erosions and concern for the food security. The second challenge is the shrinking land resources. They requires the conservation, production technologies, and the water security enhance the productivity from declining availability of water. Then the climate change hazards increase water erosions, induce land degradations and disasters of mass erosions. Increasing production and protecting environment should be non-conflicting objectives. Efficiently, the next challenge is the efficiently manage natural resources and identify the potential system for the carbon sequestrations under the different best management practices. Innovate and evaluate the cost-effective location-specific conservation technology for the different climatic, edaphic and physiographic conditions. In these slides we see the different type of the disasters just like the climatic, natural, cultural and rituals, and anthropogenic. The climatic, it including the floods, waves, then natural, it including the earthquake, landslides. This is the natural disasters. And what is the cultural and rituals? The disasters, it including the polluting festivals, ceremonies, and the anthropogenic, it including the excessive harvesting, unplanned development. See, this is the different type of the disaster. This is the flood disasters, drought disasters, the cultural disasters, the drain block disaster, and see in this the pictures the landslides disasters. When we study about the land degradation drivers and causative factors, the main factor, the first is the loss of vegetative cover. When the factor, it including the loss of vegetative cover, including the numbers of content, the forest and grass fires, overgrazing, this is the one another reason, and deforestation. Overgrazing and deforestation, it is a very common reason for the loss of vegetative cover. Then the landscape disturbances due to the flash floods, landslides, meanings, and road constructions, then the livestock and the vehicle trails, urban growth, and industrializations. Unscientific land uses, this is the low and imbalanced fertilizations, This is the very current issue, imbalance fertilization or more and more excessive fertilizations, then the excessive tillage, burning of crop residue, low input, poor crop rotation. Because of crop rotation is a very important thing to maintain the balancing soil or the nutrient balancing. Then the heavy metal pollution, they are also to the crop rotation to stop the numbers of pathogens or the diseases, means the disease cycle, it's also to stop it. They are also too necessary for this the crop rotation. If the poor crop rotation, they may be the unscientific land uses, they may be including, and the socio-economics, land shortage and fragmentations, poor economy and funereal issues. See in these slides, soil erosion status in India. See this is our map, and in our India, numbers of states, they are the major impact about this the soil erosions. Near about 37 million hectares area is severely eroded soil loss. Then the 22 million hectare areas is affected by very severe soil loss. 13 million hectare is under extremely severe soil loss, and wind erosion is prevalent in the arid zones of the country. Northeastern region is highly affected by water erosions. Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Westerns, Maharashtra, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh and Telangana are also affected states. Then study about this the road construction, then the damage and the anthropogenics damaged poultry unit. See in these slides, cost of action and inactions in India. This is the different steps, it including reclamations, this is the first steps. Then the rehabilitations, commercial reforestation, they are also called as the agroforestry, reforestations with the native trees, assisted natural regenerations and natural regenerations. When we study about this the geographic settings, topo sheets, mountainings, the watershed, rivers training, water harvesting pond, seen these slides, and what's the impact about this the management. Then when we study about this the drainage features and aquatic connection, first order stream, total stream length, confluence, connectivity with higher order stream, etc. When we study about our soil quality, because of it is a very current and current scenario and very important content about the situations, soil quality day by day is very decreasing. CC it helps hold more carbon, higher is better, pH optimum higher is better, biodiversity means observe and expected fish species, if 18 to 90% area within one, then last impact, if 14 to 16% area moderately impacted, and if 0 to 20% area is heavily impacted, keystone species presence of the absence. Then it including the agriculture, dense forest, urban forest, settlements, barren land, riverbed, sea. See, when we integrated stream, watersheds and natural resources management, including the different contents. First is the hydrology and engineering. Study about this, the hydrology, the content is land degradation, water harvesting structures, conservation structures, limnological upgradations, hydrological stabilizations, flood and torrents control. Fisheries and aquacultures, it including the regulated fishings, aquatic conservations, conservations farming, aquacultures in WHS, artificial ranchings, stream stabilization. Animal husbandry is the control, grazing, stall feeding, high yielding breeds, artificial inseminations, cautious management, scientific husbandry. In building the environment, improved quality of life, sustainable development. In agriculture and cropping, conservation agronomy, zero or minimum chemical farming, integrated farming and intercroppings, green manuring and organic farming, mulching and moisture conservation, water harvesting and recycling, forestry and horticulture, conservation forestry, protective cover and convoy management, scientific filling and processing, and afforations, MPT, fruits, salt, rich to valley treatment. See in these slides, when we study about these the resources and integration interactions, it content about this the land, water, biological, human wash, instruction or infrastructures. Working group of the interactions, different type of these the agencies to work, just like the government agencies, watershed development committees, local land owners, then community leaders, NGOs, different type of these the NGOs, panchayat raj bodies or watershed association, they are also to working for this the resources and interaction management, improve the quality of life, it including the accomplish the human, animals and industrials needs, enhance fisheries and agriculture production, balance nutrition and health, improve the socio-economic life and sectoral interactions, hydrology and engineering, fisheries biology, stream ecology. When study about the upstream, downstream and upland lowland reaches, see these the pictures, the pictures is recreational values, the riparian, falls, cascades, pools and rapids. The conservation interventions, lands configurations, then the graded bunding up to this the 8% slopes, then the mechanical measures on non-rable lands, agronomic measures, vegetative barriers, alternative land use, agroforestry system, water harvesting and recycling. See in these pictures, the stretches, counters, trenches, weirs, counter boundary terracings, then the river training, then the treated rivers and the gabions net webbing. Different type of these the pictures to see are related about this the natural resources. Rehabilitations of a landslides area in Sainaji watersheds, Mysore. See, this is the different three before treatment, treatment impose and post treatment. Both these the pictures is very clearly to see and how is the impact their initiatives works. Okay, see. Growing agri production to feed growing population and resources, different type of this the food item and quantities. Food item just like this the grains, rice, wheat, coarse cereals, pulses, fish, milk, egg, meats, especially in the grains, the 316 quantity is the higher, and then second is the milk. Need for the crop cost diversity, harvesting of water through earthquake dams, Sukhmaji's project in the Shivaling Hills. This is the one project working about this the project. Then the participatory water resources development, gravity flow water conventions and watersheds. See, this is the different pictures and what's the working about these the pictures and what's the results. See the watershed based approaches for the soil and water conservation in Bundelkhand farms increasing the water harvesting and continuous. Then the integrated farming system. What is the integrated farming system? Once output become other input, then the intercropping, mixed cropping and integrated cropping. What is the different three types of this the cropping and what is the result about this the cropping? See in these one pictures, there are the three types of this the cropping and what is the effect. For tire vertical farming, managing time, compatibility crop, alternates crops to use, and various integrated farming system just like the pig fish, agroforestry, fish poultry, pig agri, fish poultry agri, fish ducky, paddy. In this slides, the fish integration in the food is 7 to 9 kg fish per 100 meter squares in 95 days of cultures with stops or the stockings of this the winter standard fish seedings are near about 15 to 75 grams. And see, this is the agriculture conservation practices, grasslands ecosystems. It's including the physical method, chemical method, and biological method. Physical method, it is the oldest method or it is the traditional method, including the preparation of farming mixtures, jaggeries, molasses, salt, minerals mixtures, DCP, lab urea, mix all the above in drum bag, adding the water, and to make this the cake. Advanced engineering in farming and natural farming, various component and expected benefits. Seeing this the different schemes found in our India, and our PM focusing on the digital agricultural government initiatives and the mission of digital agricultural mission in 2021 to the 2025. Thank you all. Thank you.